Yeah, bossy.
Whisper, link me when you're free.
She see? Me tell her, so she see, you know?
Just relax, man.
Jesus Christ, she see.
German says a white pro box she leaving at the night.
You get the license plate?
It not register in the system.
So that means there's a definite takeaway, you know?
That's the only conclusion we can draw at this time.
Bossy. You think Daly would have any reason to take her away?
Yeah, especially the fact that she get closer to you.
You think you might go hurt her?
That's a if him not hurt her already.
So no, bossy. I feel guilty. You never want to reach us, you know?
We never ever want casualties on our watch, Whisper. But sometimes things go wrong.
We need to protect her from the brother there, you know?
Remember, so we still are speculating, you know. She can miss him for a different reason.
But pretty levels. She no link with nobody else who would do something like that.
Listen, German still there on the clock. I try and make a link to the pro box. So, make we wait on that. But in the meantime, make we pop our collar a little bit. 7 rifles for on the ship.
7? Anybody get word?
3 youth, them where they take off the equipment, them sir. But them still a stick to them story. So them never know where it in there.
So, how we running on them?
You know, say Sting and 2 I'm youth them from the JDF. But you know, as usual, him have to walk left it and leave it to the boys in blue.
Well, the truth is, at least we stop them from go up on the streets.
Yeah, but there is something more interesting. She'd say him say a suspicious character lurks around on the camp. And the description we him give me fits Siva.
For real? That means that a field operation.
Could be. If I really him she'd say.
Boss, you know, so we need to intensify the search for him. I feel like enough of the weapons that are come through. I feel him keep coming through.
So you think I him take over Miranda operations?
Me not doubt it. Remember, say she a public enemy #1 for we. So if she get the chance to leave the island, I don't think she'll look back that side. She might move on to a bigger market.
You might have a point in a whisper. She wouldn't be here so long, and she not raise up for her head yet.
That me I pray to.
Whisper. You know the name Consuelo?
Consuelo. The only Consuelo I know about are the brother where Mr. Mullins says start the nightmare program.
Mr. Mullins tell me say him did want to assist with the Ochi operation.
If I just observe and report, why we need assistance from him?
All if I never observe and report, why him think we need help any at all?
I don't know. But that brother I just drop in so.
That is if he's a man we are deal with.
Why you say that, bossy?
I research the name Consuelo. And it's a female name. And me know how Mr. Mullins stay. Them love cover for him friend there. But me say a player what concern me.
What kind of play?
I say a face where look familiar the other day when we dip on the apps at Ochi.
So, where you see the face before?
Germany.
So, you feel like a German operative there?
I'm not sure if it's an operative.
So, you get a good look on the person's face?
They're never very close. And I one of them unique face the way you can't miss.
So, which part of Germany you see her before?
You know, say she Milton did that talk to the day when me approach him.
So you think she would have there, boss?
Whisper, if me didn't know that, I wouldn't concern. In a Germany, me did think say she was a target. But now, it looked like she linked to somebody.
Think of the Consuelo person she linked with.
I don't know. Me go ask Pops. I just hope say I not send him send somebody to shadow me and not say nothing to me.
I know film style sometimes. Silent and deadly.
Me, I go tell him say, don't do that something there. Because it make we look like we don't know what we are doing.
Real talks there. Simple apps like them there. We don't need shadows like that. And look how easy we figure out what going on the ship. See there? Second rifle fine.
Once we up on the same page and everybody heading at the right frame, then we're unstoppable.
You don't know about it. One team and at the 8 team.
Everybody up on the same page. Right?
You mean? Every time.
And everybody heading at the right place. Right?
You know my head in the right place. Now look at the distraction they will carry pass and gone.
Yeah. Realize that. So, what about the distraction with you, Antonia?
Me, Antonia?
Whisper, what will I do? It's a dangerous road and I go down, you know. You don't even over on the respective partners yet. I don't know, you lock up with each other. Don't have watch it, so.
Bossy. Listen. Talk to her. Have a long talk. It's a moment of weakness. It happened. We decide to put it behind me. I'm not going to ever talk about it again. I mean, no, that's not the right road for that. Alright?
But I want to think say me a bit difficult, you know.
Not like that, man. Trust me. I know say I have the best interest at heart. And a relationship with me and her is a total no-no. I'm like a sister. I'm not going to violate that.
And she feel the same way?
Bossy, she feel the exact same way. And she can't talk to me, you know.
Good. Because my last few minutes when I walk in and see you now.
Oh. I see.
Yes, me see. The only reason why you never see me, it look like your eye them did lock. And you did
Bossy, do. Me and not talk about this. I will make a deal so we're not going to ever talk about it again. I would love you to be part of that. Don't bring it up again. Deal?
Deal. Come in and walk around with that image in my head. So me forget it.
Trust me. Forget it too. Feel like want an extra line. You're forward.
Yes, German. I'm on my way.
Now call Dragon.
Whisper, we'll get a location. Forward.
Alright, here you are. Just put it on ice. Soon far.